Meghalaya Power Minister James Sangma today hit back at the opposition Congress over the alleged corruption charges levelled against him, saying that the opposition is bereft of ideas and therefore making silly demands for the removal of ministers. In a direct statement to Congress MLA Zenith Sangma, who has been time and again demanding his removal, James Sangma said that Zenith Sangma should be careful about his choice of words since he is a leader. The Power Minister has faced severe criticism from the opposition after several irregularities in the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited or MEACL came to light, with many calling for his removal so that there can be a free and fair inquiry into the alleged corruption charges.
The opposition is bereft of ideas, and they have nothing more to say than to keep making silly demands for removal of ministers. I think that, despite all the talk of the opposition trying to play a constructive role, this is going in the opposite direction of that. Having said that, I think that this independent inquiry is headed by a retired Justice of the High Court, and I don't recall his name. But to make such kind of insinuations is, I think, it's casting aspersions on the character of concerned Honorable Justice of the High Court. I think they should be careful of the kind of words that a responsible leader uses. And I think it's very irresponsible on the part of Mr. Zenith Sangma to cast aspersions on a retired judge.
It may be mentioned that on May 5th, Meghalaya Chief Minister Kongwat Sangma had ordered an independent inquiry into the charges of corruption and other irregularities in the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited. It was further informed that this inquiry will be headed by a retired judge and there will be 2 other members from the administration, a retired officer and a technician. The inquiry will look into work done in last 10 years since the inception of MEACL, and the inquiry committee will get a time frame of 4 to 6 months to submit its report. Meanwhile, Meghalaya Power Minister James Sangma today came out in support of the controversial Umngot Hydroelectric Project or UHEP, saying that the state government had done due diligence in the matter. The much talked about project has been vehemently opposed by various stakeholders for the alleged damage it might cause to the environment, besides also directly affecting several villages in the area. Power Minister James Sangma, however, said that the state is reeling from acute shortage of power and there is a need to ramp up the state's power generation. Sangma also assured that all stakeholders will be consulted and only after addressing their concerns, be it environmental or socio-economic, will the government go ahead with the project.
Today, the state is reeling from, acute shortage of power. There is a need to ramp up our generation. So whether we scrap this project or not, that is of course a decision the government will take. But as I've always mentioned, that all stakeholders will be consulted on this, and it is only after we have addressed all concerns, be it environmental in nature or be it socio-economic in nature, after all those have been addressed, then only we will be going ahead with this project.
Meanwhile, the Joint Action Committee against Umngot Hydroelectric Project today resolved to meet Chief Minister Kongwat Sangma and submit a memorandum to him in person, urging him to scrap the UHEP completely.